Hey guys, hope you are well. So this is going to be a slightly different video. So as you have seen, I had done a review video on this about how it is and how the wireless charging works and all that. So after that I was trying to make a video where I was comparing the wireless charger with the wired charger using these cables. So while doing that I noticed that the type C slot that this one has wasn't charging my phone. Okay, so the wireless charger was working, the USB-A was working, but the type C was not working. So in this video I'll show you the same. I'll show you how it is charging my phone using the wireless charging, also the type A port here but not the type C. So I'll be showing the same. So I raised a complaint with Spigen also 2 days back, and they have asked me to provide more details. So I'll also be providing the same video to them. I'll also let you know what a resolution I get for this particular case. Let's get started. So you can see right now I'll just turn on the power bank. You can see it has full charge. Okay, 5 dots, and the phone itself, it has 5% charge. We'll keep it on the charger. You can see it's charging. You can see there's like 2 minutes 30 seconds left, and you can see it has charged up 3%. Okay, we'll just stop it here. Don't want the video to be bigger. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll use the normal charger, that is lightning to USB-A, and we'll charge the phone with this. Okay, again you can see there is 9% now. We'll start timer. Okay, you can see now we have finished 2 minutes. Let's check how much percentage. Okay, you can see now it's at 12%. I think it has increased by 4% now, 8 to 12. So now what we'll do is we'll remove this again. Okay, now we'll use type C to lightning. Okay, now it's at 12%. Okay, it's charging. We'll keep a timer again for 5 minutes. Okay, that's at 13%. So you can see it just dropped to 12% from 13. Okay, you can see the timer is done. As you have seen, there's no increase in the charge using the type C to lightning cable. I'll just disconnect this. I'll connect this to this MI power bank. Okay, again I'll start a timer for 5 minutes. You won't need 5 minutes. %. So I think I'll stop the timer here. I don't at 2.5 minutes it charged I think 4%. I don't think we have to keep the timer running now. So it's clearly able to charge it using this cable. So as you have seen, the phone was not charging when we used the lightning to type C cable on this power bank. It was charging my phone when I used the wireless charger or the type A cable. Yeah, so let's see. I have raised a complaint with Spigen, and they have asked for more information. I'll give them this video. Let's see what kind of response I get and what kind of resolution I get for this issue from Spigen. So I'll keep you guys posted on this whole issue. Thanks again for watching. See you guys in another video.